Did you know that the average person eats over 100 pounds of noodles in their lifetime? Noodles are a staple food for many of us, and it's hard to imagine a world without them. From ramen to spaghetti, noodles have become an integral part of our culinary culture. Noodles are enjoyed worldwide, with various types being popular in different regions. In Asia, rice noodles and udon are favorites, while in Italy, pasta is a way of life. Even in instant noodle form, they're a quick fix for a hungry stomach. The impact of noodles on our body is multifaceted. On one hand, they provide a quick source of energy. However, most noodles, especially instant and processed varieties, are low in nutrients and high in empty calories. This can lead to weight gain and a range of health problems if consumed excessively. Consuming noodles regularly can also affect digestion. The high carb content can cause a spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leaving us feeling lethargic. Additionally, many noodle products contain additives and preservatives that can be harsh on the stomach. The ingredients used in noodle production, such as refined carbohydrates, sodium, and preservatives, play a significant role in their impact on our health. Refined carbs can lead to insulin resistance, while high sodium intake is linked to increased blood pressure. These ingredients can also lead to inflammation in the body, which is associated with chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Furthermore, the lack of essential nutrients in noodles means that a diet heavy in noodles can lead to nutrient deficiencies. To support these claims, various scientific studies and nutritional experts have weighed in on the effects of noodle consumption. Their findings highlight the importance of moderation and balance in our diets. In conclusion, while noodles can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation, it's essential to be aware of their potential effects on our body. By understanding the ingredients and nutritional content of noodles, we can make informed choices about our diet. If you're a noodle lover like many of us, we'd love to hear about your favorite noodle dishes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content, where we explore the impact of food on our bodies.